Post-election November 2024, what is the scenario in United States? What is the scenario that is popping up? America first, American first. American companies, rather than giving job out to outsider country people, now they have to go give job only to American till all Americans are till all Americans get the job and they have home to stay. Now, President-elect Mr. Donald Trump, now he has to focus on the America first, American first. In that sense, helping nature of America to other countries globally, that should go away because America is spending tons of money to help the foreign countries like Ukraine or Israel or Pakistan and Liberia, Ecuador, so many countries, South South Korea. In that sense, what is the implication? What is the scenario that is popping up globally? There is a country called El Salvador. El Salvador is a country in a Central America. Central America is a thin strip of land that connects South America and North America, but it falls in North America only. El Salvador, Honduras, Guatemala, Costa Rica, Nicaragua. Five countries are called Central American countries, but there are Caribbean islands also. This is very important from American point of view because they are near to the America and enemy country can take control from there against the America. In Cold War situation, it was Soviet Union that they could hold of those countries. And anyway, what they did with the Cuba, that everyone knows about it, how strategically they were using Cuba. Now, the El Salvador is a country in Central America and full five countries: Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, Costa Rica, and Nicaragua. All five countries were colony of Spain, and by 1820 they become independent from the Spain. And 1825 America recognized the independent Central American country. By 1839, Spain also recognized El Salvador as an independent country. By 1849, USA recognized El Salvador as a separate independent country. Otherwise, it was considering Central America as a separate independent country, not El Salvador. It is a small country facing the Pacific Ocean with around 20,000 square kilometers. Small country, 6 million people are there. Means it is a highly dense populated country. In that sense, why strategically, since El Salvador is near to America, it is important to America geographically. Otherwise, Soviet Union, if it cannot put concentration on El Salvador, then Soviet Union can do nonsense from there. Now, if that is the case, then 1849 United States it recognized El Salvador as an independent country. And not only that, there are many hit hatch went with the El Salvador. By 1980s, El Salvador somehow civil war started in El Salvador because socialist group they started taking over with the help of Soviet Union, socialist group. And in that sense, America started helping El Salvador financially. In that way, Carter, I believe Jimmy Carter is the name of President Carter, and Ronald Reagan, those were the president at that time, and they were supporting economically El Salvador during the civil war period, $1 to $2 million per day. Can someone believe on this? So around 10 years or something, they would have United States would have helped this El Salvador country $1 to $10 million per day, $1 to $2 million per day. This was the support that was coming from United States to El Salvador. In 2001, El Salvador it announced USD, United States dollar, as its currency. United States dollar USD is not the currency of America only. There are few more countries they consider USD as their home currency, and one of them is El Salvador. United States 2004, United States signed free trade agreement with Central American country, all five countries. Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, Costa Rica, Nicaragua. All five countries 2004. It is it is called Central America Free Trade Agreement, Dominican Republic, DR. That was, and then 2004 is signed for Central America, and by 2006 it became effective with the El Salvador. El Salvador is the highly tightly coupled partner of America. Highly coupled. When civil war started in 1970, 80, and that Soviet Union was trying to capture it, kind of that. Then America only supported the El Salvador. Now in 2022, there is $10 billion trade between America and El Salvador. $10 billion to 20,000 square kilometer, 6 million people country. 10 billion dollar is the trade, where $6.4 billion America to Salvador and around 4.2 or something billion-dollar trade from Salvador to America. And foreign trade investment means American companies they are investing in El Salvador. That is $1.2 billion in only 2022. This much means El Salvador or Central America they exist because of America. Now, someone can put inference that they exist because of America. See the trade $10 billion in 1 year. $1.2 billion investment, foreign direct investment in a country from America, so small, tiny country. It is like Taiwan, even much smaller than Taiwan, and smaller than that. Then one